Welcome back again, live from the Niue Island. Another bush video. So the crew were here to clear up the weeds on our plantation on one of our videos a while back. But finally we're gonna clear the weeds and start planting our taros. All this area behind me you can see, all full of weeds now. So we're here, the crew is here, we're gonna do some weed whacking. Gonna do some weed whacking here, and we got our taro tops here to plant. We've got some banana tops there too. So we've got 4 machines here, onions to plant. We've got some kumara to plant because it's full moon tonight. There, start. So they said this is Hannah's first time for the brush cutter, or the weed whacker, so. Oops. Boop.
Are you going to use the blade there?
Yeah. Glad you want to use the blade?
Can I?
You can. Okay, so that's our task for this evening. A bit of blue there, but it's spitting a little bit. The clouds there, it's spitting right now. A little bit of rain coming down. Alrighty.
Oh, see, look, you can see where I cut it. See?
Hey, plant with that. Plant with that. Oh, my belly. Some hardworking people at the bush today. Hey, Dad. Did you lift the car on?
Dad, go away, huh? Or go away, go. Yeah. Or just leave it to you. Mom, going to off. Off! That's enough. I'm doing so good. And so is he. Mom, you've got him so nice.
Who?
You. Oh, go have off. It's too dangerous.
In the bush.
Yeah. Watch out, off. Mom, look at off.
What's your job at the bush today?
Turn around.
What's your job at the bush today?
Like this, karaoke. See.
Hey, he's supposed to be doing the holes.
Make believe.
Let's see if it's another one over there.
Too many rocks.
Why? Because this is the rock of Polynesia. Because we are live on the rock. Some hardworking people tonight this evening at the bush. Hopefully there's a nice warm meal at home waiting for us. Straight after work we're set to come to the bush. Woohoo!
Kalau menua di. They did well with clearing
Clean
the...
up the truck first.
Clearing this area, so now we're starting to plant. This is for make it that far. It depends on how well we take care of these. If we neglect them, you know how the story goes. How sad, too bad. Good Taro, the Taro. Mangakura. Oh yeah. Boom, let's make a hole. Boom, start going that way. Go that side. Good.
Hey, put the chainsaw under the truck. Put the chainsaw in the
because
truck,
guns there.
under the truck.
All natural. Planting the hui and bushwork.
Alrighty, it's dark and it's home time for us now. See, the rain still spitting a bit. Hard working lady over there. And the kids in the van or at the back here. That's it for today.
Whole life on the rock.